Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to clone backlinks in BoldSign. The Clone Backlink feature in BoldSign allows users to copy or duplicate an existing backlink. Users can create multiple versions of the backlink and modify them without starting from scratch, saving time and effort. This feature is particularly valuable in scenarios where you need to make minor changes to the document and share it for signing, or update expired backlinks. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager needs to conduct employee feedback surveys quarterly to gauge employee satisfaction, identify areas for improvement, and gather insights on workplace culture. This is where BoldSign's backlink cloning feature plays an important role. This feature enables the HR manager to efficiently duplicate existing survey backlinks and customize them based on specific focus areas or changes in survey questions over time. This ensures a consistent and streamlined survey distribution process, making it easy to reach all employees across various departments. Let me demonstrate how the HR manager would do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I expand the Backlinks menu and select my backlinks. A list of all my links is displayed here. I need to clone the survey backlink and make changes instead of starting from scratch. To do this, I first locate the survey backlink. I hover over it and click the context menu. I then choose the Clone Backlink option. Upon clicking that option, a copy of the backlink is generated, and I am navigated to the Prepare Backlink page once the cloning process is completed. Here I need to replace the old survey file, as changes were made to the survey questions. I move to the Add Files section and replace the file by clicking the Replace button. Since the remaining sections are the same, I click the Next button to move to the Configure Field page. This is where I set the form fields based on my needs. Here the form fields that were present in the older survey document are displayed in the new document. I check their positioning and add new form fields for the new survey questions. Once done, I proceed to create the backlink by clicking the Create Backlink button. Now the updated survey backlink has been created successfully, and I can copy the URL link and share it with the employees. I can clone the expired backlinks too if needed. That summarizes how to clone and modify the existing backlinks in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.